Day 1, naalala ko pa yung unang araw namin dito sa kampo, sa evacuation site, kung saan nahirapan akong matulog. Syempre, namimiss ko na yung dati kong higaan, namimiss ko na yung unan ko.
I heard that you're
I remember when we broke up the first time, saying this is it, I've had enough. Cause like we hadn't seen each other in a month. When you said you needed space, what? Then you come around again and say, baby,
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Oppan Gangnam Style.
Day 2, sa aming documentary tungkol sa Division of Labor, nangyari na tinulungan na ako ng mga kasama ko dito, yung mga crew ko, tinulungan na nila ako. Tapos yun, yung first, isa lang yung pumipilo ng gamit ko. Syempre naman, hindi ko naman ina-expect na pipiluin pa nila gamit ko kasi
I can be tough, I can be strong, but with you, it's not like that at all. There's a girl that gives a shit behind this wall. You just walk through it. Good morning and good night. I wake up at twilight.
It's gonna be alright. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. It's always a good time.
So, nung third day namin, napakaganda na nung third day namin kasi nakita na namin yung subject para sa documentary. Alam na namin na matatapos na yung hirap namin dito, yung mga araw na walang ligo, walang kain. So, ayun, nilagay din namin yung mga sarili namin sa posisyon nung grass cutter na aming in-interview. So, ayun. Maganda yung mga na-shoot namin. So, ayun. Ang hirap talaga pag ako lang isa. Paano ko ito bubunutin lahat? Paano? Wala pa talagang budget. Aray. Oh, what happened? Ang hirap. Ang hirap. Anong nangyari sa demokrasya? Check talaga. Ay, tulungan kita? Oo, ikaw dito na division at ako dito na division. Halika na. Kuya, magtatanong lang po ako kung mas madali po ba kung may maguna dito na site, tapos meron din doon. May division kayo ng labor. Mas mabilis yun matapos.
Mas mabilis to.
Pero kung nakaganito kayong dalawa,
Mas mabilis.
mas mabilis.
Oo.
Kung madami kayo.
Madami.
Yun nga, natapos na namin yung documentary para sa project namin. Nung pumunta kami sa classroom na aming napili para doon namin ipagko-combine yung aming mga ideas, yung mga videos namin, i-edit na namin. Ayun, ang dumi-dumi ng classroom, so nadagdagan tuloy ng idea pa kami ng isang video na mas magpapalakas ng aming sinasabi na ang Division of Labor ay epektibo at mas madaling paraan upang matapos ang mga bagay-bagay na kailangan natin gawin. Ano, ganun ba sila? Ha? Hindi mo lang
Baka naman to, kailangan ko pang gawin. Mag-isa. Kailangan na talaga ng division of labor dito eh. Buti na lang yan dito kasi, Yor. Kailangan na talaga ng division of labor dito eh. Nakakahirap.
O sige, ikaw maglilinis ng board, ako sa chairs, para madali na ang mga, okay?
Oh my, I love that.
Waking up in the morning and to be well. Quite honest with you, I ain't really sleep well. You ever feel like your train of thought's been derailed? That's when you press on, lean in. Half the population just waiting to see me fail. Yeah, right, you better off trying to freeze hell. Some of us do it for the females, and others do it for the retail. But I do it for the kids, life through the time we're in on. Every time you fall, it's only making your chin strong. And I'll be in your corner like Nick, baby, till the end. And when you hear a song from that big lady, until the referee rings the bell, until both your eyes start to swell, until the crowd goes home, what we gon' do, y'all? Give 'em